Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by using Chrome or Edge on your desktop for the easiest experience. Sign into your Google account and open Meet. Google, calm to prepare. Check camera permissions in your browser settings and test video to confirm a clear image. Adjust lighting so your face is well lit and background differences are visible. If you plan to upload an image, have a 1920x1080 file under 16 MB ready. Close other camera apps to prevent conflicts with Google Meet. When you are in the meeting preview, click Change Background at the bottom right of the video. You will see blur options, system presets, and an Upload a Background button. Click Upload a Background and navigate to your 1920x1080 image file that is under 16 MB. After selecting a file, use the preview to check how it frames your head and shoulders. If the preview looks good, click Apply and proceed to join now to enter the call. Your selected background will appear to others after you join. If you need to change backgrounds during a call, click the three dots labeled More Options. Then choose Change Background to open the same effects menu you used earlier. Select a different preset, use Blur, or click Upload a Background to add a new 1920x1080 file. If the effect behaves oddly, stop video and restart your camera to reset processing. Note that mobile apps may offer fewer background features than desktop, so use a computer for full control. To remove a background, open Change Background and select None, then click Apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.